Well, you're welcome back to our training, and in this video we are going to learn how to create our login screen so that we can put security settings to our system that will prevent people from invading on our privacy. So with the login screen, that's where we are going to use the Visual Basic for application language, programming language. So we are going to use the developer tab. So if your developer tab is not active, make sure it's active. Then after you have clicked on the developer tab, you go straight to this side where you can see Visual Basic. You click on it, a new box will appear for you. Now this is where we are going to work. We are going to insert a user form. So you go to insert, then you select user form. So you have our user form here. Now we want to give it a name, so you need to activate the property icon or the property box. So you go to view, then you go to property window, then you activate it here. So now let's look at this. So now the user form is selected, so every setting that we do here will affect the user form. So let's try to at least make it a little bit bigger. Now the name is here, so the name, let's give it a name like login screen. So login screen. Good. Okay, then let me login login form FOR. Okay, so let's use this. Let's rather use it. Small letter FOR login. Login. Good. Now that will be okay. So the FOR stands for the form, and this is a login form. So let's check the back color. Let's check the back color. So which color do you want it? Let's click on the palette. Then let's select the color. Okay, let's use this. Okay, then the border color, let's leave that. The border style, let's leave that. Now the caption, the caption is where you write the login in capitals, login screen. Login screen. Good. You see that the login screen has appeared at the top here. Now let's move forward. Now let's leave all this side, and we'll come back to it later. So let's leave that. Now let's go straight to we are going to insert something, some controls here. So first of all, we are going to insert input field where we are going to input our username and password. So we not select label. We are going to select a text box. So that's the text box we are going to select. So you click on it, then you come and draw and drag. Then let's push it small here. So this is the password box, input box. So you just copy and paste, because you have a password and the username. So the top one is the username, the next one is the password. So let's try and adjust it a bit. Okay, then let me enlarge it small. Okay, now we have this. So before that, let's try to give this a title. So let's select label, then let's give it a title. So let's write something like security checkpoint. Let's go to caption. So after you have drawn it, you go to caption, then you security checkpoint. Okay, so let's try to edit this one a bit. Now for the back color, okay, for the back style, let's make it transparent. Then let's go to the font. Let's increase the size. Okay, so let's use this font, the area font. Okay, let's use this, and then the size, I think 14 is okay. Okay, now we have this. So let's change the color to white. Okay, white is good. Now we have this, you see. So let's position it to the center. Okay, let's increase the size a bit again. Okay, let's and the size. Okay, let's use this. Okay, let's increase it small again. Let's use 20. Oh, sorry, what you're doing. Okay, this is what you want. 20. Okay, so let's adjust it here. Good. Now we have this. So after that, let's insert our labels. We have inserted a label here, so we need to insert another label here so that we can give this one a name. So insert another label here whereby we write our username there. So let me caption it. So go to caption, then you draw, you write username, then let's reduce the size to 14, 12. Let's use 12. Okay, let's use 14. Okay, 14 is still big. Then let's use 11. Okay, 11 is okay. So we just adjust it so that good. Now we have this. Good. So let's copy it. And paste. Let's copy it and paste, and that will be for our password. So let's go and edit the caption and input password there. Good. So we have our username and the password here. So let's try and position it nicely. Okay, so we have this. Now what is left is for us to input or to add our tabs. So the tabs you're going to add the login tab and the exit or cancel tab. So we are going to add buttons to it. So you go to your then add buttons, so command button. You click on the command button, then you come and draw your command button here. So let's give it a name to the command button. So go to caption, then you click on say login. Then let's get the size to be somewhere 14. Let's use 14. Okay, 14 is big. Let me use 12. Okay, 12 is okay. So let me adjust it a little. So let's copy it. So the same thing for exit. So you copy it and paste it, then you drag it to this side, then you edit the caption. The caption is exit. Good. So now we can add some background colors to it. So let's add background color to this one. Then I think let's select red. Red is good. Then this one too, we are going to select green. Good. So we have our login screen nicely and neatly designed. So what is left now is for us to add or input the codes. So I'll end here for not making the video too long, so that in this video I'll start with the coding and other stuff. Thank you all and enjoy your day. Bye bye.